Let's make this spicy garlic chicken. Take some boneless chicken pieces, add garlic, ginger, salt, pepper, soy sauce, corn flour and mix everything well. Marinate the chicken for 30 minutes. Crack an egg and separate the white and the yolk by dropping them in 2 different bowls. To the marinated chicken, add the egg whites and mix. Add corn flour and mix again. Heat oil in a pan. Once the oil is heated, drop the marinated chicken pieces gently into the pan and fry them until they are a nice golden brown in color. Now remove it and keep it aside. For the sauce, add soy sauce, water, sugar, corn flour and mix. For the garlic oil, heat a pan, add some oil, garlic and saute. Take out the garlic cloves. To the same oil, add the chili flakes and saute. Then strain it and keep the oil aside. Heat a pan with chili garlic oil and add ginger juliennes, red chilies and green chilies to it. Next, add onion, capsicum, spring onion heads, fried garlic and mix well. Pour the prepared sauce into the pan, mix again and add the fried chicken pieces. Give it all a quick mix and add the spring onion, greens and sesame seeds. Toss it all well. The spicy garlic chicken is ready to be served now.